All right, so what's going on, everyone? I wanted to talk to you about GameStop. Wanted to provide an updated price prediction for this particular stock. Are the buyers panicking right now in GameStop? And the answer could be yes. And the reason why I say that is because we've noticed since we did this price prediction in GameStop that those sellers have been formidable and unrelenting in letting these buyers break this pocket of selling. We had two attempts into the market in GameStop, December the 26th, and then again on January the 7th, to where buyers attempted to break price above that pocket, and each time they failed. Okay, the buyers failed to break price above that pocket of selling, something that we talked about. So you shouldn't be caught off guard. You shouldn't be surprised that that has gone on. Hopefully you was able to grab something out the market on those two occasions of at least maybe 10%. Okay, because we might continue to see price in GameStop go down. Next thing you guys can tell is that we are now testing this trend line in GameStop. The buyers need to show face. They need to show up and prove to the buyers and the sellers that, hey, even though we got rejected in that pocket of selling, I'm still here. We need to see the price bounce right now in GameStop. Now let's take a look at the market in GameStop real quick on the 2. So this is GameStop here on a 2-day chart. We needed to see follow through right there off of that buy signal bar. Did we get any follow through in the market in GameStop here? Answer, no. The next two-day price bars is we're seeing price close lower than that buy signal price bar. Again, maybe the buyers are gone. Maybe they're out to lunch. Maybe they're not even aware that they're not able to break through that pocket of selling. I don't know. But the proof is telling us that they're not showing up. Whatever the reason, whatever the cause may be, they're just not here right now. So they do need to pop in a very short time frame to confirm that they still want to control this market in GameStop. When I look at this on the 3, you guys can see that 3-day price bar there, which is indicative of weakness off of this 3-day price bar here, to where we saw the market close off the highs, which again tells us that this is where majority of the market is selling. Here's GameStop on the 4, 9 hours and 9 minutes, and the current 4-day bar, okay, is weak. Right there. 9 hours, 5 minutes. If the market closed here on the low of this current 4-day bar, the idea is yes, we're going to look for price in GameStop to dip, to go down. Here's GameStop on the 5. Okay, just take a look. Here it is on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2 weeks. And I would like to see, we got 3 more days and 10 hours on this current 3-weekly bar. And that looks weak there too. On this current 2-weekly bar, we have 3 more days. If it looks this way in the next 3 days and 10 hours, yes, I would look for price in GameStop to go down. So given all that, we will anticipate that the price action in GameStop is weak. We're going to look for the market to go down. And we're trying to see how low could the market go. And this is one area. Okay, so it's almost there now. And I'm talking about the price. The price is almost here on this 330-minute chart buyer's pocket. If it holds there, great. I would say this is another one right here, a very shallow one. Okay, so let's see what we're working with. So this would be your target, this very first pocket of buying. At the high, it's only 1%. Might not even be worth putting on a prediction. At the low, 2.36 at $30.26. Our next target will be at this next pocket of buying. Although it's shallow and short, and small in width, 4.13%, $29.71 on the low. And then our last one will be at this third pocket of buying, 10.84%, $27.63 will be the area. I'm going to keep this trend line here just a little while longer, but once we see price break that trend line, then we might as well just get rid of it and anticipate that the market at GameStop will either do one or two things. It's going to trade within a channel to rebuild up enough momentum to break that pocket of selling to the upside, or it's going to continue to go down. Okay, so that's where I'm at right now. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.